Hi guys, do you guys know what a Tesla coil is?
Obviously.
Would you like to know?
Yeah.
Hi Santiago.
Hi.
Do you know what a Tesla coil is?
No.
Would you like to know?
Yes.
Hi Patiño.
Hola.
Do you know what a Tesla coil is?
No.
Would you like to know?
Sure.
Hola mister.
Hola,
¿Tú sabes qué es una bobina de Tesla?
obvio.
Do you know what a Tesla coil is?
No.
Would you like to know?
Yes.
Even though many are aware of the functions of a Tesla coil, others are really curious and interested in knowing about the subject and the functions of this special circuit. Hi, my name is Gabriela Rodriguez and welcome once more to my channel, The Physic Vibes. Have you ever heard of the name Nikola Tesla? For those of you who might be thinking about this guy, this is a totally different story. It's not the owner of Tesla, the company we're talking about, but it's about Nicholas Tesla, the Serbian mechanical and industrial engineer and inventor. In the year 1891, at the limited age of 35, he had already registered the mother patent of what today we know as a Tesla coil. Today I will be demonstrating this beautiful model part by part and explaining how you can create one at home. A Tesla coil is basically an electrical resonant transformer circuit. It is an electromagnetic generator that can produce an electromagnetic field with high frequencies that can turn on a low consumption light bulb. Some of the materials you will need in order to turn this circuit into a reality are a wooden board where you're going to place your whole circuit, a 9 voltage battery that's going to be the source of your power, a resistor and a transistor, which are going to be those who control the power of the electrons that are flowing through your circuit, a switch which will help you to turn off and on the circuit, a PVC pipe, and copper wire which you are gonna use in the circuit, a small ping pong ball which goes on top of the Tesla coil wrapped in aluminum foil, and you're gonna help yourself to glue these things into the wooden board using masking tape, as well as cable to connect and soldering device, and a lighter to light up all the points of your copper wire to burn them before using them. To help you out in this detailed process, I designed a step-by-step that will help you build your own Tesla coil. Step number 1 is to roll the copper wire in the PVC, leaving 0.5 centimeter at each end and some loose wire. Step number 2, paste it on the wooden board using tape or silicone. Step number 3, paste the transistor on the wooden board using tape. Remember to paste it close enough in order to make sure the cables get connected properly. Step number 4 is using the soldering iron to solder the resistor and the cable that was left from the copper coil into the PVC pipe into the right stick of the transistor. Be careful with the soldering and avoid generating any bridges because this can mislead your flow of electrons in the circuit. Paste the switch and solder the outlet of it with the left stick of the transistor using a cable as a connector. For step number 6, roll up a thicker copper wire and around the PVC type and solder it to the middle stick of the translator. Solder it into the other end of the thicker cable and into the middle section of the resistance. Remember, all copper connections must be peeled and burnt before welded. Step number 7, paste the battery in the wooden board and solder the black wire to the center of the outlet switch and the red cable to the final end of the resistance. Step number 8, completely cover the ping pong ball using aluminum foil and paste it on top of the PVC pipe using masking tape. Step number 9, turn the switch and put the light bulb next to the Tesla coil and observe how this one lights up. It is important to note that it probably won't work the first time. But if you are persistent enough, I assure you, by following this step by step, you will guarantee a proper model of the Tesla coil. Now you can observe the final product of this small experiment. Electricity has always been one of the most complex yet common resources the world uses daily. From a fridge to a blow dryer, circuits all throughout your household and lives help you do simple and hard chores. That is why technology is fundamental. With the use of the Tesla coils, cables are not needed to give direct energy to any power outage like a light bulb, which could ultimately reduce the CO2 emissions worldwide. A small project like the one we just held at home may change the lives of millions of families that don't have a direct access to energy and electricity every day. That's why completing this project is important for our lives. Thank you for joining me in my channel once more, and see you next time in Physic Vibes.